Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So, Brookhaven. We all love Brookhaven. Even I love Brookhaven. But, right, what you're seeing behind me is something... Sorry, my voice is kind of ragging. But, look, what is that? Excuse me, does that say Subway? I think I'm just gonna go here. So, Subways. Let's talk about Subways. How does Subways work in Roblox? Like, is it like pretend? Is it pretend? It better not be pretend. We're gonna try and see this. Lake Madison, here we go. Let's see if it actually, takes us to Lake Madison. Oh. The lights are off. No way! It actually took me to Lake Madison! Are you guys seeing this? I'm gonna do it again. Black. Now, I don't know either of these locations, but, Black Hawk Station. That one's pretty cool. Downtown. We're gonna go back to downtown. Wow. Wait, hold on. I know what I should do. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah. Alright. So, here I am. Now, I'm guessing this is probably a secret room, but what kind of a secret room would this be? Oh my god. Anyways. Oh, wait, hold on. What is this? Maybe I can take the passengers to Lake Madison? Oh my gosh, it works. So I'm guessing it works on every single seat. Like, how cool is this? Like, excuse me. Wait, hold on. What if I could, like, jump onto the bus? That would be kind of cool. So I think every single station has, like, its own color. Like, Lake Madison, it's green. Downtown is blue. Crown Point is purple, which is kind of a cool name for a, like a part of town. Because I feel like towns don't have much of a good name. And I'm not listing the name of my town. Good. Black Hawk. See, this one is orange. Hey, Dad, the color of the Black Hawk is orange. Look.
That's your dad's color?
Yeah, see, look.
Orange, black, and white. That's your dad's.
It is?
Orange, black, and white.
Oh. Yeah, you see, I end up over here. See, look, even the trash can is blue. It's amazing, guys. Like, what if one day... Like, what if you're in your teenage years and you're one of those boys who skateboard and trying to get the girls to fall for you, and your house is pretty far. You're not gonna want to walk. Walking is scary. So, of course, you're gonna want to take the subway, obviously. Obviously. So, you would obviously come to here, right? And you would take your bus, and don't forget your skateboard. And you would, head to your house. Sorry guys, the video just got cut off a little bit. And what a sight to come home to. Seeing this, you know what? We are changing this. We are changing this, guys. Hold on. Be right back. Look at that. Ain't she a beauty? I've gone insane. So, Parkland. What? What is... Okay. Never mind. Anyways, that's all what I have for you guys today. Make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I'll come to your door. And don't worry, there is bloopers. Why does the game load like that? I don't like it when the game loads like that. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I am recording. Excuse me. Should I honestly change my skin tone? I should make myself blue. Or green, because I'm a frog. Do y'all see me? Why is this gonna be in the video? I don't know why this is gonna be in the video. Wait, hold on. I should just dance now. Wait, hold on. Yeah. No, wait. Yeah. Look at me. Look at me go. Look at me go. Look at me go. Ooh. Look at me. I'm so nice and smashy. I should. No. I'm fine. Thank you. Look at that. I should actually wear that in like a little bit. Kind of. I don't know. Alright. That's enough dancing. I'm gonna have to change it again. Because, well... Alright, I gotta start recording. No! Wait, I'm gonna goof around for a little bit more. Wait, hold on. I know what I should do. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, Daniela. Hi, Osho. What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Oh, I love you. Oh, come here, silly boy. Come here. Why are you so sweet? Osho, Daniela. Come here. Oh, Osho. Daniela. Oh, I love you. Do say my talks in real life.